All right, we just wrapped up a live Zoom meeting with LiveGood. All right, because today is Thursday. All right, Thursday or Thursday, like my family likes to say. It's April 17th, okay? Now, what I appreciate about the LiveGood ownership, the people that run it, own it, and that I trust will steer us into the right direction, as I have to clear my throat here, is they're very transparent. I find them very likable, and every Monday and always at noon Eastern, if you want to watch these meetings, these webinars or Zooms, call them what you'd like. If you want to watch them live, it's always noon Eastern because we're based out of Jupiter, Florida. Okay. Now, Monday, Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, okay, they're in charge of product education and creating and designing our products. And every Monday at noon, they like to do usually about a 30-minute kind of a product review, talking about products that might be out in a week, 2 weeks, maybe in the summer. We have a whole bunch of new stuff coming out this summer, very exciting, or how to use a current product. Okay, and that's every Monday at noon. Now, Wednesday, okay, right on the old hump day, Nodder, he is our field development dude. I like to call him VP of marketing. He does about a 30-minute review of LiveGood, how to recruit, how to tell people about products, the opportunity. Okay. And I find it highly effective if you're new to this business and just see how or what Nodder talks about. Okay. It's not about make money, make money, make money. You're an affiliate. Okay. You can use the products of LiveGood to bring people into the business. That's how I started. Okay. Super Reds, Super Greens, Amino Acid Punch. I have some other stuff over there, the Orgasmic Coffee, CBD oil. I was buying the products from LiveGood before I gave a rat's ass about being an affiliate. Okay. I became an affiliate about 2 years ago, and before you knew it, I was signing up 1, 2, 3, 4. I should have over 500 people just personally signed up underneath me by summertime or the end of summer. Okay. And I'll show you how I do it. I keep things real simple. Okay. So that's every Wednesday at noon. And all these are recorded, by the way. Now, Thursday today at noon, we have a 1 hour, and it's kind of like a pep talk, a webinar about the products, the opportunity. All 4 owners, including CEO Ben, they talk about where they've been, what they've done, what's the future of LiveGood. It's neutral, so if you invite somebody to watch that webinar, okay, it's neutral, meaning it doesn't have a particular person to sign up, okay, as either a member or an affiliate. So I like to put it on my YouTube channel. I like to put this 1 hour session that just happened about, maybe 30, 40 minutes ago on my Facebook. Okay, I might talk about it on Instagram, TikTok. Okay, it's just a link to watch that 1 hour webinar. And if you're interested as a member or an affiliate, it's highly effective, especially when you can just watch it from your cell phone or laying in bed, or if you're on your couch or at a desk right now with a computer in front of you. Okay, you're not going to college. You're not going to city college. You're not dressing up, going somewhere to sit and watch a seminar live, have a lunch, go back, and then when you're driving home, you forget half the stuff that you even learned at that seminar. I'm a big fan of the webinar, where I can sit on my rock and roll butt here, get a cup of coffee or something nice to drink, make me a sandwich, and just watch the education, watch the tutorials, watch the webinar. Okay, that's every Thursday at noon. And then Friday tomorrow actually is my favorite meeting. And it's where the Fab Four, okay, all 4 owners, they come on the webinar, and Ben kicks it off, and he talks about the sales, the products, what we're doing, where we're going, how many people have signed up for the week, okay, what bonuses are being paid out. I like that. Then Dr. Ryan, he gets on and talks about the products again and the future and what we have designed. Are we redoing formulas? You know, sometimes we have products come out, and after a month, we get reviews or feedback from the members and affiliates who buy the products, and sometimes the containers are just too small. So what Ben will do, and a lot of times not even increase the price, he will make the container or the jar or the package larger. And that's what happened last week. I appreciate it because I think it's called Tallow Balm. We just released it. His wife, the CEO's wife, said, the package is too small. I run out of this like in 20 days instead of 30. So Ben's like, you know what? I want all my products to be kind of designed to use every 30 days. Okay. And he's going to increase the size of that package because it's super popular right now. All right. And you can find all this out on Friday. Then of course, Nodder comes on, tells you about ideas, how to recruit, what's going on. Okay. And then Lisa, all right, Lisa Goodkin, she's in charge of the education of each product. And she'll talk about, just isolate one product, talk about it a little bit. And you can always, Lisa@livegood.com. You can always ask her questions about any of her products. Okay. So that is what made me a big fan of this company, is because of the transparency. I like how all four owners, they're always in front of a camera talking about the products, where we're going, what we're doing. It's kind of like the captain of the Titanic saying, hey, I see a iceberg and we're going to turn left, except we're going to turn left a mile or two before that iceberg. I like to know who runs the company, where we're going, background check. Where's our facility? Jupiter, Florida. We got 2 or 3 buildings right by the freeway. If you're in Jupiter, Florida, go down there. They'll probably put you to work. Even Ben's son, the CEO, I know that he works down there now and then. I know Dr. Ryan is down there. I think he has an office and a facility where they can do all those great Live Good videos you can find on YouTube. Okay. We're worldwide, guys. We've had about almost 2 million people sign up in 2 years. Okay. No other company is reaching numbers like this. Not even close. Okay. It has won best business opportunity online in 2023, 2024. I have no doubt we're already on par for another 1 million people signing up right now as I sit here, April 17th of 2025. Okay. Exciting numbers. People worldwide, 200 and something countries. Guys, we're all over Africa, Asia, of course, the UK, up in Canada above me. I'm in the United States here, down below in Mexico, Australia, New Guinea. All these countries I have in my downline. And I like when they write me. Sometimes they're like 12 to 15 hours ahead of me here in Utah. I'm just Mountain Standard Time. But it's crazy. You meet some real nice people, especially if you're going to be an affiliate. Okay, $40, two $20 bills. That's it, guys, to be an affiliate. We do not commission the products. You do not have to buy any Live Good products to earn money. Buy them because they make you feel good. And if you think they suck or they're average or blah, send them back within 90 days, 3 months. Get your money back. See those containers on my fridge? If I buy them and they sit there for 2.5 months and I just want my money back, I just send them back to Jupiter, Florida, full refund. That is one kick-ass guarantee, guys. You don't need the receipt or nothing, because when you pay with either even crypto, believe it or not, or your Visa, maybe it's a MasterCard, but everybody that joins LiveGood, you just configure a way that you like to pay for products and how you get paid too. Because this morning, I got a chunk of change. We get paid as an affiliate every Thursday. So in the morning, I can see how much I made. And by the afternoon, just here in Utah, I'm at a real big bank. Okay. Usually that chunk of change is in my bank, probably around 2 o'clock Mountain Time. Okay. So we get paid every Thursday. All right. What's the guarantee? 3 months, 90 days. No questions asked. Even if you want to buy a Live Good hat or a shirt or whatever you want to buy, just go to livegood.com. All right. I'll show you here real quick. I'll try to end my video here in 10 minutes. But what I want you to do is just go to joincory.com. Okay. I want you to watch that video. There's a 5-minute and 55-second video. It's a YouTube video, smack dab in the middle of the web page when you go to joincory.com. Okay. And then go to the products tab. Look at all of our products. Okay. There's a bunch of them. Hit any of those white rectangle buttons to learn more about the pricing, the ingredients. Go to the FAQ section. Very important. There's a lot of questions right there. Click, read. And if you don't understand, just click and read them again. All right. And then after you go to the products and the FAQ, go to the bottom of your cell phone or your website page, and it's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Okay. Go ahead and click that. There's the page. Now, we get paid 7 ways on the membership side. By far the easiest thing to do. Scroll to the bottom. There's a YouTube video. Just watch it. Watch it 2 or 3 times. Memorize the comp plan. And if anyone wants to sign up with you or has questions, just do what I do. Invite people to watch a video. They don't want you to tell them about it and yap and get on the phone or go to their living room. This is not MLM 1970, 1980, even 2010 or even 2020. It's all about watching little mini videos. Okay. So to repeat, go to the pay plan link, go to the FAQ, and then go to the products tab. And of course, I want you to just go to joincory.com, okay? Click it, watch that little video, fill in your name and email address if you'd like to join or you want more information, okay? And if we send you an email, at the bottom of the email, just go ahead and opt out if you don't want any more emails and want to go on your way, Jose. Okay, so Live Good, pretty cool company. All right, guys, thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and peace and love, man. That's what it's about at the end of the day, isn't it? All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you next video. Bye.